share the latest news updates with us.
Today's news headlines are international news. Trump says he will visit begin in April and host China's XI for state visit later next year. US judge dismisses criminal cases.
General knowledge enhances our thinking skills. To expand our general knowledge, I would like to invite Part from Class 5. Listen carefully and try to answer.
Today's three questions are: my first question for primary, which is the smallest two-digit number? Yes, your answer is correct. 10. To display. My second question is: what is the value of tan 45 degree?
47 sing monthly song.
सबको पूरा गीत गाना चले रेती यही तो मंत्र है अपना चले रेती यही तो मंत्र है अपना
Hear from our respected principal sir, whose word always inspires us. I am principal sir to address us.
क्या चीज था? पूरी प्रेयर किसने मैनेज करी है? प्राइमरी ने। और बिग हैंड को बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेना चाहिए ताकि अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एक 700 750 बच्चों के सामने यदि हम कुछ चीज बोलते हैं तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अपने आप हाई होगा। तो ये आप सबके लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है या आप अपनी प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन
To address us. Stand up. Attention. Rest. Attention.